From the very start, the video hits you with a high-impact, ultra-realistic cinematic product showcase of the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The camera is revealed in stylized slow motion. A sleek gimbal unit perched on a rotating stage, edge lighting glowing behind it, and reflective metallic surfaces shimmering under studio lights. The first few seconds evoke a sense of premium engineering, artistry, and ambition. We see 4K OLED close-ups, new joystick controls, sweeping lens reflections, and futuristic ambient lighting. The narration and visuals repeat. Big design changes and new features revealed. The video is crafted like a high-end tech commercial, with hyperreal rendering, crisp text overlays, and cinematic transitions. At around 0:27, dual microphones are highlighted, and the gimbal arms move fluidly. By 0:50, we see a vlogging scenario. A content creator filming in 8K HDR using an OLED touchscreen interface. From 1:15 onward, the video teases hardware upgrades, USB-C, wireless charging, a better cooling layout, and accessories like an integrated tripod dock. Later, spec overlays hint at HDR10+, 1-inch sensor, and even exploded internal views. The voiceover repeats the promise. Big design changes and new features revealed. But beneath the gloss, what can we reasonably believe? What's rumor? And what's likely? Let's dig in. Exploring design changes, expected specs, competitive positioning, and what might hold back DJI's next move. The legacy, DJI Pocket Series, and the pressure for innovation. To understand Pocket 4's potential impact, we need context. DJI Osmo Pocket line has been beloved by vloggers and creators for blending portability and performance. Pocket 2 and Pocket 3 raise the bar with gimbal stabilization, compact body, and advanced tracking and shooting modes. The Pocket 3, released in October 2023, is especially notable. It introduced a 1-inch sensor, a rotatable 2-inch touchscreen, and ActiveTrack 6.0. That model continues to lead in small form factor video capture. Given how high the bar already is, Pocket 4 has to deliver substantive upgrades to justify its existence and price hike. The tech community is abuzz. Leaks, hints, and speculative renders suggest DJI may push the envelope in optical design, sensor capabilities, and usability features. But rumor versus fact is always murky until DJI confirms. There appears to be no dominant GLASP article giving leaks or credible insider info on Pocket 4 that I could confidently cite. So this version is built on the leaked video elements plus broader context plus plausible engineering trends. Design transformation. What's changing? Dual screen setup, front plus rear displays. One of the most attention-catching rumors in the video is that the Pocket 4 might sport dual displays. One on the front and one on the back. That could expand shooting modes, selfie previews, monitoring, remote control, or more intuitive UI arrangements. Dual screens could open new creative workflows, like live framing for hosts or vloggers filming themselves while seeing their shot. Of course, adding a second display complicates design. It adds thickness, power draw, thermal challenges, and cost. If implemented, this could push the price higher than what earlier models commanded, $519 or the AUD849 for some regions. But many creators would welcome the convenience. Refined gimbal and internal mechanisms. The leak animation teases reworked gimbal joints, smoother motor arms, and a redesigned internal architecture. At 2:31, we see an exploded view of internal gimbal parts, suggesting more compact internals or possibly a new stabilization algorithm. The video also teases an upgraded cooling system, presumably to better manage heat during high bitrate 8K or 4K per 240 frames per second recording. A sleeker, more efficient gimbal means lighter weight, longer battery life, and less shake at extreme angles. DJI likely had to re-engineer the internal layout to accommodate new electronics while retaining balance and responsiveness. Enhanced connectivity and power options. The teased visuals suggest a USB-C port, more robust than micro USB or older USB types, wireless charging dock, or contact charging cradle,